paday ko. Perdian parang day at tinggal.
Entry number 3.
Ano apil yay?
Next box, a round of applause to our entry number 4.
Pwede si Jasmine yay.
Puro Sax.
Indian dance. The Indian is a traditional Filipino folk dance that originated in the province of Surigao in the Philippines and is characterized with dancing hence the name Itik, which means down in the Filipino language. The dance believed to have been inspired by a story of a young girl who was imitating the movement of the dog. While dancing in a field, the dance begins with slow and graceful movements, mimicking the elegant play of a dance. As the dance progresses, the tempo increases and the dancer's movements become more lively.
Oh, si Giaro, si Tayang na yung pare?
The dancers use
Isa yung pare, Ler, si Tayang nila.
arms to imitate the
Ginalen, dili na si Tayang di ay?
The music accompanying the dance is usually lively and rhythmic folk songs on traditional Filipino instruments such
dili na
as
di
the
ay.
bandoneon, guitar,
Asa naman si
and
Jamaica?
The dance is often performed during
Wangan, magugugla.
festivities, occasions, cultural festivals, and special events to showcase
Si Ler, tala. Si Siler kay...
The integrated dance has
Di ba
gained
nakaklaro
popularity
niya?
both within the
Sorry.
Philippines and internationally as a vibrant
Kinsa di
and
ane? Bakit sa rin David ma?
of Filipino
Kinsa rin?
culture and is admired for its lively and playful nature as well as the
Jamaah ba si Tayang?
required to
Jamaica.
execute intricate movements.
Tayang?
Put your hands together for entry number 4.
Entry number 4, Puro Sax.
Puno ni mo haday.
Entry number
AJ.
5, Puro 4.
Coming involves two people moving two bamboo poles back and forth along the ground. When the poles come against each other,
Ay, di tanaw ba na si Aida? Abi, kung di tanaw. Ano si Aida? Wala mag-apel.
Over and between the poles.
Si,
Put your
ano
hands
ba?
together.
Ano wala ba siya? Ay, wala nangyari.
Number 5.
Ano, dahil. Sabi ko,
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
apay kung di apel
our
kay
entry
Adi ay.
number 5, Puro
Si Tayang, rada ito no? Isa pa to? Ito ko, nangapil silang EJ, si Dudongken. Si Palos, maniapil si Palos? Wah. Si Dudongken, trabaho si EJ o si Sihan.
number 5,
Play nila.
Arturo Guapo. Nakainit. Kaya ka sa mga masaya o hindi.
Ano ba po? Nalimot.
Vice, kaya ka
Poro, basig. Ay, basig. Ha?
Good luck. Nakainit ka ng gabi muna. This time, my honor also to recognize once again our council here of Barangay Ligan. Starting with the Honorable Rudy Pupuso. Please stand and out to be recognized. We also have the
Garapot, di mo na ako.
Honorable
Sa akong tanaw.
Kawan, Honorable Aki
Hindi, ba dyan mo lalim nga to? Wala.
We also have the Honorable Roswell Opipian. Honorable Joe Puno. And we also have Honorable Jandres Puas. And Honorable Rudelio Upana. And once again, ang Puno Barangay, Captain Ricardo Puas. My honor also, our treasurer, Esther Maneki. And of course, very fine the meditation of the play. Ladies and gentlemen, our secretary, Earth Mahayakan. So our council again, thank you and congratulations. And of course, in our SK, starting with the Honorable Danica Puas, please get to the recognized.
Ma, kato
We
yung
also
nasa
have
si
the
mo, ma.
Honorable Sena
Ma,
Bulungkaya.
kato na kasi mo. I-post na ako dito sa Facebook.
Honorable Rosemary Bailo.
Sabi ko, Honorable Rosemary.
Honorable Vanessa Chuason. We have Honorable Daniel Cubilo.
Well, Rosemary na bitay ko.
And we also have Honorable
Tingkol, kung ano yan eh. Tingkulutan ko ito ni Jar. Wala.
Sama
na.
One of the blessed answers. Kung saan ito na suki sa mga entries. Okay, so dili. Gamay na kanyang pag-review ng mga skincare.
Ma, wala.
And four. Three. And tutulog yung
Bangag. Ano ba?
There's an interview
Ay,
our pinag
Bawala po na ito. Bawala po sa ilahan. Sa ilahan. Sa ilahan. Okay, bawala sa ilahan. Okay, ito.
Hayo, unsa man na. Ito, ay ang question na ito, mga question. Since nakisuka sa ibang point pagkatuloy sa mga barangay dinan, is naman ikuha ng barangay, pangalan na barangay dinan. Bao na nahipabukin na ginawa kung dahil nagpuhin na ito ang tingnan. Hinang dyan ang thank you. I-claim lang ang premium dito. Good morning.
Okay, magdag, babil.
Tama? Ha?
Kisa po, magdag.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Picture sa ulo.
Okay, hindi tayo ang lola. Hindi tayo ang lola diri. Ilo, ang pagkutana ang lola dahil dito, ikaw, Joe. Hindi tayo ang lola diri, hindi tayo ang lola. Yes, kaibigan tayo.
Sila may makauson kay. Sila may kuhan. Nasa kuhan.
Suki-suki sa una.
Sila may nasa ubos ko na baka.
So sa ito ang council, nagkasalamat. But before I want to report here, tagay ko music na bulos. Kaya kung bulos sa sinula o si Kuya, before luwakon ang premium. Pili. So, ladies and gentlemen, kung sa mga gumanda o bulos, chatsa ko no? Chatsa. Music. Maestro. Kuya, sayang chatsa ko. Yes, wala siguro. At ba, your name, wala ko lang dito sa audience. Kabalong ko, by just standing your name, Kian. Kian. Pagbalong ni Kian, sinilawag na si Kian. Because it is not easy to start and concept
Sige.
tao sa kalibutan. And you are now winner na kato yan. Para maging makuha ang premyo, ladies and gentlemen, Lola and Apo, Porna, Cha-cha-cha!
Sayaw ba yung lola? Kaya sa lola. Ay, kaya mga apay, sa lola kay cha-cha-cha.
Yes! Congratulations! Ma'am, Miss sila po ba nag-accept nyo? Mga new po kayo. Ano ba? Sa Magulan, congratulations sa kayo. Thank you. Pasalamat tayo and you deserve that award. Automatic, ang apo, ang lula ni Mars. Sayaw na lang dito. At one is Kita Kilo ni Saya. Your message to everybody. Kung saan yung sakit na natin na dito sa mga fans club.
Hindi na ko na lumaw. Ako pagkinaroon, kaya pa na ako sayaw.
Tagay, kukuradan din. Ngayon sa pinag-unsa ko ng sayawa, kukuradan ko nun ay maksuban. Para sa ako ni sa Junior Kagawan. Ladies and gentlemen, para mo habang ng sayaw. Oh, okay nga naman. Thank you, Lola. Oh, thank you guys. Kuradan ako. Okay. Since nag-iskutan mga senior citizens, this is from the President. Please be informed, kung i-announce nga, senior citizens nga payout sa citizens nga walang pa daw nakadawan sa ilang pinagbihan gikan sa January 23 to December 23, hindi na karong January 15. Gusto na ko ha, hindi na karong January 15, hindi karong maabot na January 12. Na ulit Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. So ito po claim sa ilang mga pahalipay na pinagbihan. Gusto na ko i-claim na karong Biyernes alas 1 to alas 4. That's January 12. Thank you. This time I re-offset, ladies and gentlemen. This time, you'll have the 6th entry. Puro City.
Kinalasa na niya.
Kuradang Kibahor. Kuradang Kibahor is a couple's dance and an imitation of Hen and Rooster in Melbourne. The couples observe each other in united movements as they can express their oaths.
Maju gabi dengan Lorraine Pearson, 15, Gias Sansase.
Tonight is such a very wonderful night, and of course, to our lovely candidates, you girls look so very beautiful with this red dress, courtesy of Kim Villamore. You are looking so very beautiful, and you're doing also good. And so, I am so very happy that I am once again here because last year I also hosted the Miss Bingag 2023, holding this microphone at the same time having a very close contact with our lovely candidates here. I'm so very happy to once again host your Iyas ng Bingag 2024. Alright, so we are once again gathered here in the Bingag Multi-Purpose Hall. Now, we are all graced with these beautiful ladies, young ladies of Bingag. And just wow, you know, Bingag really never disappoints. They always deliver. Just look at our production now. All of the people of Bingag must be just so very proud. Because every year, last year was your first time Miss Bingag, and this is your second year, and every year, you are always giving us such a very great production. How about if you give a big round of applause to your barangay Bingag? And of course, if you organize it, you need a big round of applause. Kudos for such a very, very great job. Tonight is a very wonderful night, and we are going to choose and crown another dazzling, beautiful lady. The epitome of beauty and the dance. Number 4. And we have Iyas number 5.
Kim to ganiha sang.
And that was the yes number 6. Now we have the yes number 7.
Broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. You can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we can walk it out. Ooh, mountain. I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up.
Sige ra good. So yan ra good na to.
And it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. I know you've been like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to a street. Mountain, bring it to a street. Mountain, and I unrealistic standards the society has set to us. It is understanding that everyone is a gift of their own. This is Arturo Hadrake, your advocate for self-positivity and the Yes No Enough 2024.
That was yes number 7. Now we have yes number 8. For a cause you care about. Keep us number 1. Now we have yes number 2. Number 2. Abigail Lowe. Yes, number 2 is a grade 11 science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM strike student. Her ambition to be a civil engineer. Her life mantra: always look at the brighter side of things. Learn to be one and strive to be better. Yes, number 2. Now we have yes number 3. Yes, number 3. Trisha Eunice Dela Cruz. Yes, number 3 is a grade 12 technical vocational livelihood or TVL major in bread and pastry. Her ambition to be a teacher one day. Her life mantra: live life to the fullest. Never compromise anything for less. Yes, number 3. Now we have yes number 4. Yes number 4. Lorraine Pearson. Yes number 4 is a grade 11 general academic strand or GAS who's specializing in design, industrial, and arts. Her ambition to be a pilot. Her life mantra. Enjoy your life to the fullest because every day is a thank you, God day. That's number 4. Now we have yes, number 5. Yes, number 5. Kim Ashley O'Neill. Yes, number 5 is a 4th-year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management or BSMT student. Her ambition to be a successful host. Her life mantra. You'll never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Yes, number 5. Now we have yes, number 6. Yes, number 6. Ruby Lovins Delvin. Yes, number 6 is a 1st-year college Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management or BSTM student. Her ambition to be a flight attendant. Her life mantra. Self-love is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. When you embrace and appreciate yourself for who you are, you unlock a world of endless possibilities and joy. Yes, number 6. Now we have yes, number 7. Yes, number 7. Erica Wells Hadarabin. Yes, number 7 is a 1st-year Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Her ambition to travel while earning. Her life mantra. Contentment is the highest form of happiness and success. Yes, number 7. Friends, this is yes, number 8. Yes, number 8. Yes, number 8 is the 3rd-year hospitality management student. Her ambition to be a cabin crew one day. Her life mantra: be yourself and have courage. Yes, number 8. Please welcome back our 8 lovely candidates in there. Here with more Filipiniana Gowns. Filipiniana gowns. To give us a song number and to serenade our lovely Nias, put your hands together for the bride of Bohol, Philip Tuyon, Mr. Philippines Earth, Bohol. A big hand, please.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and doesn't know what it wears. And then I look as it turns out I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. It's walking around with me. And I tell her I'm gonna said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lights in your eyes. And I wonder, are we all that you just don't realize how much I love you? Start to go home and I've got a baby here. So I give her the heartbeats and she helps me go to bed.
Si Uli Kim ka na si Kim.
And then I tell her
Lahat.
as I turn the light, I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight.
Ayan na sa. Si Kim.
Oh, my darling, you look wonderful tonight.
Kim sa Tagara. Kim rin. First, kanay kadua tapan na lang.
Alright, thanks salamat. Good evening, Day. Pagkakaibigan. I was just informed last minute mo sirinin ani o sorry kazo. I just want to thank Agawa Joy Bulag for inviting me here, for sponsoring me, and from the municipality of Agna. I will be representing the province of Bohol in the upcoming Mr. Earth Philippines 2024 that will be held in Manila. I will be flying in Manila this coming 24, and I hope that you will pray for me and please visit the Mr. Earth Philippines page and vote. As of now, we are leading in the voting system. Thank you so much, and nangita kong daga na ba yung daga diha? Alright, play maestro. Magandang dilag, gusto ko yung mabihan. Wala nang dinamanas, di ba napalabas?
Si Missy yan dito asa.
Bawat lakad mo,
Ay, ako ayaw.
di na wala, di ba mo nagkagalaw
At si Agis
akin. Tinatanaw-tanaw kita.
Si Missy.
Para bang isang dala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko yung napilihan. Wala nang kinanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Teka, gusto nila mo. Magandang dilag, puso ko yung napilihan. Wala nang kinanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Ay, ako, sabi ko, kaya mo ba? Sino dilig? Ha? Ayaw ko, single ba dilig? Taken, no? Single daw. Eko, eko, mana? Nakatanaw-tanaw kita, para bang isang dala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso mo yung nabihag. Wala nang kinanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang. Akay na, apil. Apil. Dapat may apil. Pasok sa mga. Wala nang kinanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Nakatanaw-tanaw kita, para bang isang dala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya ng langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magagandang dilag. Alright, thank you, salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Philippines Earth, Bohol. Of course, we Boholanos are supportive and we are united. We must support our candidate during the national pageant, no? So let's all have our phones ready for the votation. And of course, once again, let's give a big round of applause to these very beautiful ladies. Mga guwapa siya, no? When they went on stage and strutted the stage, it felt like they were dancing and so comfortable, so confident, and I think that is because you like your gowns so much. Look at these gowns! Tanawa! Very courtesy to the pride of Bohol. Let's give a big round of applause to Miss Kim Villamor. Can we ask Ma'am Kim to please stand to be recognized? I think Ma'am Kim is around here. But Ma'am Kim is a renowned Boholana designer. And just look at this, so very, very beautiful. Thank you so much, Kim Villamor. At this point in time, we are now to give certificates for the candidates, of course. May we request our Honorable Captain Ricardo Boas and Honorable SK Binghag Chairman, and Hiyas ng Binghag Overall Chair, and Honorable Ricardo Coas, Barangay Captain. This certificate is given to Hiyas number 1. The same certificate is given to Hiyas number 2. Just to recognize, Hiyas number 1 is Miss Irene Sam Gombaniana, and Hiyas number 2 is Miss Abigail Lobo. The same certificate is given to Hiyas number 3, Miss Denise Trisha Dela Cruz. The same certificate is given to Hiyas number 4, Miss Lorraine Pearson. The same certificate is given to Hiyas number 5, Miss Kim Ashley O'Neill. The same certificate is given to Hiyas number 6, Miss Robini Delphine. And the certificate is also given to Hiyas number 7, Miss Erica Bell Jack Hadrake. And the same certificate is given to Hiyas number 8, Miss Jean Rita Abaga. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to our Honorable Captain Ricardo Boas and SK Chair Morgan. Once again, ladies and gents, to be here on stage is not so easy. Let's give our candidates another big round of applause, please. Of course, a representative of the organization to please come up here on stage and receive your recognition. And this citation reads, Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Binghag, Dawis, Bohol, Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is presented to in recognition of their outstanding contributions to the community of Barangay Binghag, Dawis, Bohol, and for their exemplary dedication to the youth through their various activities. Given this 21st day of September in the year of our Lord, 2001, Hiyas number 1. We have Hiyas number 2. How about Hiyas number 3? And how about Hiyas number 4? And let's hear it from Hiyas number 5. How about Hiyas number 6? It's our Hiyas number 7. And then last but not the least, Hiyas number 8. Alright, they're all still there. We thank you for staying with us and for supporting our lovely artists here in front. Ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 for Hiyas ng Binghag 2024. You are still points of the competition. Hiyas number 5. to our top 3 finalists for Hiyas ng Bingan 2024.
Ang iyas number 5, 7 o 8.
Thank you so much. This point in time, we are now to have our final question and answer portion. Of course, our candidates are going to be answering one single question for the 3.
Kinunan si Kim Sang.
Our 2 remaining candidates are prepared backstage with headphones and of course secured in a room, making sure that they really
Wow,
are
ano ba si
hearing
Paul?
the question given to our candidates.
5.
And of course, the
Five,
question
seven,
will be
okay.
given to us by our chairman of the board.
Ah,
which is
katong
our
4, katong daghan og awards. Wala man siya kayo katubag
And
pag.
now, to our
One.
chairman of the board, I now turn you over.
Wala siya kayo katubag
Our
katubag.
first finalist.
Go Kim.
Maayong gabi, Bingan. Maayong gabi, candidate
Number 4 Sang. Number 4.
How are you feeling tonight now that you're part of the top 3?
I'm quite nervous, but I'm enjoying the moment.
Yeah.
So this is the final question.
May question na sa.
Aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas na Bingan 2024, what would it be and why? Again, aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas na Bingan 2024, what would it be and why?
Thank you. To capture the essence of leadership, beauty, and impact, if I were to make a slogan for Yes Bingan 2024, it would be Grace in Action, highlighting what truly beauty means by actively contributing to our community while promoting the progress and prosper to our barangay. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, our first finalist. He is number 5, and now we call on our second finalist. Perhaps that would take a little bit of time because, of course, they are backstage. Of course, ensuring that there is fairness in the competition. They must not hear, of course, the question given to our first finalist now. So, nandito na. Here is our second finalist.
Number 8.
So your question is to be given by our chairman. Alright? Here's your microphone.
Hi, maayong gabi, candidate number 8. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm Gabi. I'm actually nervous, and I really didn't expect that I'll be in the top 3 because there's a lot of women, my co-candidates right there that has a good answer.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. You definitely deserve it. So here's the question. I will repeat it twice. Aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas na Bingan 2024, what would it be and why? Again, aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas na Bingan 2024, what would it be and why?
Okay, thank you so much. Well, if I were to create a slogan here, I will say it would be beauty beyond purpose. Because I believe that we women is not only have a beauty, we also have confidence, courage, and strength to do our duty as a woman. And I do believe that every one of us has our strength and do the best thing that we can do in order for us to be more beauty beyond purpose. Thank you.
our third finalist. Of course, to our audience here, we thank you all so much. Daghan pagitang nagtanaw na bulat. Thank you so much. We appreciate your presence here because your presence is at the same time a showcase of your support to Barangay Tinga.
Mayang gabi, candidate number 7. How are you feeling tonight being part of the top 10?
It's really unexpected for me to be part of this top 3 and I feel grateful.
That's very good. Congratulations, candidate number 7. So this is your question and I'll repeat it twice. Aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas ng Binga 2024, what would it be and why? Again, aside from empowering beauty, if you were to create a slogan for Hiyas ng Binga 2024, what would it be and why?
Thank you. If I were given a chance to create another slogan for Hiyas ng Binga 2024, it would be embracing uniqueness and positivity. Because I believe that joining this competition, each and every candidate is unique of their own and that they should be proud of themselves, being unique and standing in front of the stage to be able to project themselves in confidence and positivity. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and that was our top 3 finalists for Hiyas ng Binga 2024. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause, please. Of course, at this point in time, I think that you all have observed that our results have been so fast and quick. The results of our competition are fast and quick. The minor awards are already after the segment. That is courtesy, of course, of our tabulation team. Let's give a big round of applause to Crystal Lee College, the College of Computer Studies, for gracing us here. Daghang kayong salamat to Crystal Lee College, of course. I'm part of that. Well, anyway, just like what I have said, allow me to at the same time share to the public. Crystal Lee College now is going to offer Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Again, Crystal Lee College is now offering Bachelor of Science in Nursing. That is to be offered here in the first semester. So we will start early of October, although we cannot tell the exact date of when it is going to start because it's a little late now, but we are now offering it because we have just granted permit from the Commission on Higher Education. And so, to the parents out there, to the school, and to the youth, if you're interested, come visit our school. That's in Panglao. And of course, enroll the Bachelor of Science in Nursing because for sure we are providing a quality education for that program. Alright, so again, thank you all so much to all of our organizers. Of course, there's something that I need to recognize, but di did na ako siya mabasa. So, mukhaan mo ha? Alright, okay. So yeah. So once again, let's give a big round of applause to Crystal Lee College for giving us the service for tabulation in our pageant in Hiyas ng Binga 2024. At this point in time, we are privileged to hear a message coming from our Honorable Vice Mayor Marietta Sumaila. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
Daghang kayong salamat sa ato ang MC. Maadjong gabi, Bingag! Pagkalamian man yung stage yan eh. Congratulations sa SK Jabinga, sa ato ang SK Federated Chairman, Marian Daphne Tari, o sa ato ang mga SK Chair at SK Council members nga nagpugi para mahimo ma-successful yung atong gihimo nga event karong gabi una. Pagka-elegante ba sa inyo ang stage? Lupig pa man ang Miss Bohol. Atong pagpakan atong sangguniang kabataan. Headed by Daphne Tari. Uban niya ang mga council members sa Inaluod, Camille Cubilo, Vanessa Tuason, Chena Bulungaita, Alisin Ahlon, ang kinagapahan nila. Asa na to si Alexis? Oh, ba? Dani Kapuha, Rosemary Mailon, and sa ilang Secretary of Treasurer. Of course, din ni mahimo kumuha ang amahan nato din sa Bingang. Kapitan Rick Pujas, congratulations. Kauban sa mga konsihalis, kagawad Romeo Pada, kagawad John Rex Pujas, kagawad John Bulang, kagawad Rome Puguso, kagawad Aking Tuason, kagawad Roosevelt Obriano, kagawad Jus Dado Imbalinya. Again, congratulations natong tanan na nahimong pagkanindot jud na amis jud pag-abot. Ug ato adapod nga pagtahod sa ato ang London nga Mayor Man Bulien, kauban sa iyang pretty kayo nga wife, Ma'am Carmel, o ganatong tanan sa ato ang judges, ato ang Miss Dawis, si Angel Kalimbayan, o ato ang Provincial SK Federated Chairman, si Sir Angla, ni adini Honorable Angla, o murag na apod ani kauban nato ang SK Federated Chairman sa, I think, sa bayan, si Miss Ropami Atelio. No? Thank you. Nga ni ako din sa takuban po ng mga judges. Daghan kayong salamat. O dili po ni mahimo kumuha ang ato ang mga sponsors nga naghimo o kinabuhi para mahimo usab na successful ang atong gihimo nga event karong gabi una. Daghang salamat. Kung magtinabangay ang tanan, wa yoy di mahimo, no? So again, Bingang, magsigong balik-balik, congratulations sa ato ang mga proud parents o sa ato mga candidates. Grabe, pagkagwapa ba ang taon sa silingan sa atong mga kabataan. Good luck sa ulo o sa ato ang mga kabataan, no? Katong mga members sa ato ang mga organization, youth organization. Proud may kaayo ninyo gatanaw sa ato mga kabataan nga naghimo og mga kalihukan para sa ato usab nga kaayuhan sa ato mga kabataan. Garbo na mo mga ginikanan. Ay di nato kalimtan mga kabataan ang pag-asa sa ato ang bayan, sa atong bayan o sa atong lungsod sa Dawis. Good luck din, maadtong gabi kanatong tanan.
Thank you so much, Honorable Vice Mayor Marietta T. Survival. Ladies and gentlemen, raising us on stage for her farewell walk, we have Miss Bingang 2023, Maria Isabel Lunad. A big round of applause, please.
As I stand before you tonight, my heart is bursting with gratitude, pride, and hope. Being your Miss Bingang 2023 has been nothing short of amazing. A journey where I didn't just wear a crown, I embraced the responsibility to uplift, inspire, and empower every woman in our community. Representing Puro Size B has been my greatest honor. This crown belongs to all of you. My passion for self runs deep because true beauty shines when we're confident, resilient, and lift others up along the way. Every woman deserves to know her power and potential to bring change. As I pass this crown to the next queen, remember, this is more than a title. It's a call to be a beacon of strength, compassion, and courage. You are enough. You are powerful, and your dreams are worth it. To our barangay and SK officials, thank you for empowering us and fostering unity. To my father, the president of Purok Size B, and my family, your love and support have been my greatest strength. And to Dr. Events, the team behind the magic, thank you for making this night unforgettable. As I take my final walk, here's my message. We shine brightest where we are needed most, whether in leadership, kindness, or lifting others. That's where true strength lies. To the next queen, wear your crown with pride and let your voice inspire. Daghan kaayo sa nator pinalanggap kami. That's all. Keep shining together today and always. This is Maria Isabel Luna, your Miss Binang 2023. With all my love, thank you.
He just coming up 2024 second runner-up will receive sash to be presented by Miss Angelia Godfrey, the reigning Queen of Bohol. Bouquet flowers by Honorable Rupa May Atilio, SK Bedway President Osat Bayan. Black and Cash by SK Bingang Kagawan Alexis Laclon. And to crown, he has to become 2024 second runner-up is Honorable Lawrence Ancla, the SK Federation President of Bohol. And for he has to become 2024 first runner-up, they will receive sash to be presented by Mr. Paul Michael Martinez, the reigning Ginoong Pilipinas 2024. Bouquet of flowers by Honorable John Rex Poas, Pageant Coordinator and Barangay Kagawan. Black and Cash by Honorable Ricardo Poas, the Barangay Captain of Binang. And to crown, he has the Binang 2024 first runner-up is Miss Angel Ann Alimbaya, the reigning Miss Tawes and Miss Bohol, second runner-up. And for he has the Binang 2024, they will receive bouquet of flowers to be presented by the former Tagbilaran City Mayor Babaya, represented by Honorable Rogelio Opada. Black and gift certificates by Honorable Roman Culian, the Municipal Mayor of Tawis. Sash and ties by Honorable Miriam Sumayo, the Municipal Vice Mayor of Tawis. And to crown, he has the Binang 2024 is Miss Binang 2023, Maria Isabel Lord, and Binang SK Sherman, Honorable Marian Daphne Pai.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the moment of truth. We will now announce our winner for Iyak ng Bingat 2024. But before anything else, of course, to our eight, the lovely and beautiful Iyak ng Bingat, ladies, you have done so great job. Congratulations, and we are also proud of you. Let's give them once again another big round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think your candidates have made it? I will be announcing the second runner-up. Again, I will be announcing the second runner-up. Folks, Hiyas ng Bingat 2024, second runner-up is Hiyas ng Bingat 2024 second runner-up is Hiyas number 8. because in any case, that he has to be the 2024 queen that carry out her duties. Automatically, she will fill in the shoe of our winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Hiyas ng Bingat 2024 first runner-up is Hiyas ng Bingat 2024 first runner-up is Hiyas number 7.
Sound off the game.
She loves playing volleyball, watching K-drama, and reading webpack. number 8, Jean Rica Abada. Once again, that's wall number 8, Molly Cabot to their swimsuit attire.
Ladies and gents, let's give our ladies here a big round of applause, please. And to our candidates, surely you girls are oozing with so much confidence. I'm pretty sure that it takes so much courage and bravery for you to strut yourselves here on the stage wearing this very sexy swimsuits we have right now. No? So, congratulations for that. You look so very good at the same time. At this point in time, we are now to give the second set of special and minor award. The first special award is the Miss Photogenic by Studio One. The Miss Photogenic is a candidate who was chosen by our official photographers from Studio One.
Miss Photogenic by Studio One will receive sash, cash, bouquet of flowers, courtesy of SK Bingat and Bingat Barangay Council. Presenting the awards are SK Secretary Mark Vincent Demir and Barangay Katawan Roseville Operiano, and the official portrait by Studio One CEO/owner John Michael Ladura and Mr. Jude Ryan Max. Courtesy of SK Bingat and Bingat Barangay Council. Presenting the awards of SK Treasurers Adeline Ibaya and Barangay Katawan 1 Pulang.
Friends, the best in talent is Gigas number 4. Award. This is an award given and chosen by one of our sponsors.
House of Beauty Award will receive 1 year free beauty facial services gift certificate and will automatically become the House of Beauty ambassadors. Presenting the award is the House of Beauty owner, Miss Lynette Forman.
Ladies and gents, the House of Beauty Award goes to Gigas number 4. Award is Miss Boris Fitness G. This award goes to Igas number 1. Special award is Best in Swimsuit. Who among our candidates, our ladies here, strutted on stage with oozing confidence?
Best in Swimsuit will receive sash, cash, Geo Flowers, courtesy SB Bingag and Bingag Barangay Council. Presenting the award is SB Go Magnasa Tuwazon and Barangay Secretary, Mr. Earl Mahanyamay.
And the best in swimsuit is Igas number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause to the recipients of our second special awards. Thank you all so much, ladies, and once again, congratulations to our awardees. The next part of our program tonight is probably one of the most favorite among by all. It's my personal favorite. We are now to see the intellectual prowess of our candidates for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at the preliminary interviews for this Yes ng Bingag 2024. With that being said, may we now call on back on stage our ladies, our guests. The past day, I had the chance to have a one-on-one interview to chat and talk with our candidates, and so I got a little information of our candidates, and for sure, I tell you, they surely have a story to tell for everyone. But while they are oozing with so much confidence here on stage, I tell you that they also have some struggles in life, you know? So that might also be a lesson for everyone, that despite the challenges, we all should be happy and thankful and confident. Alright, so maayong gabi, Yes number 1.
Maayong gabi.
Alright, so you are Irene. So I'm so happy that I had the chance to talk sa imuha last night. That was last night, no? So I'm so happy because I get to know you a little more. And you were the first lady that I had talked, and you were very jolly and very okay. We are now to have our prelim interview, and so I hope that you get to calm your nerves, okay? But anyway, I noticed here that you have a tattoo in your arms, no? Can you tell us the story of that tattoo?
First tattoo ko is all about myself na ako
All about your ex. Okay. Love line. Something that many do not have. Including me, of course. But anyway, I believe that you're ready for your interview. Please pick your question here. But anyway, a gentle reminder to our audience, coming here in front is not so very easy, but good. So let's respect our candidates and let's minimize some booing and some noise when they are at the time when they are thinking for the answer, okay? Are we all in the same boat With that, nakasabot po kang tanan? Okay. So here's your question. Why do you think you deserve to win Hiyas ng Binag 2024?
I deserve.
So I'll read it again. Why do you think you deserve to win Hiyas ng Binag 2024?
I think that I deserve to win Hiyas ng Binag 2024 because I am confident and I believe in myself.
Thank you. Thank you so much, female candidate number 1. Alright, dapat salamat. Now we move on to Hiyas number 2. You can have your microphone in here. You get it? Okay. Maayong gabi. You are Abby. For Abigail?
Yes.
Alright, Abigail. So Abigail, I have learned and noted here that you are a student at Tagbilaran City Science High School, correct?
Yes, I am. I am actually transferring.
Transferring. Okay, that's okay. But you know what? To be in Tagbilaran City Science High School, I think is a privilege, and I think that you can only enter the school when you are performing well, no? Can you tell us how is it to study in such prestigious school? How does it feel to study in such a prestigious school?
To study in such a prestigious school is both an honor, but it also comes with a lot of pressure because most people think that when you go to that school, you are you are an academic achiever, you are perfect, you are smart in English, science, and math, but I just handle that pressure with open-mindedness and positivity so that I won't burden myself. So that I won't burden myself with negativity and that I can still continue to thrive on my own.
Alright, diba? You know, that is a very nice mindset, you know. Sometimes pressure is good when we have a positive outlook in our lives. You know? I think you are very much ready for your interview. Can you pick your question here? Yeah, please. So I will be reading the question twice, okay? What are you most proud of about Binag? What are you most proud of about Binag?
Binag has been my hometown ever since I was born. I am proud because of the tourist spots and the natural landmarks in our barangay, but most especially, I am most proud of the people, the Bingagnons in this barangay, because they embody unity, hard work, helpfulness, and hospitality. From the leaders, from the captain, to the public servers, to the staff of the tourist spots, they all embody hard work and hospitality. I am proud of this barangay, not only because of the tourist spots, not only because it is beautiful, but most importantly, because of the beautiful people, the hardworking people in this barangay, the Bingagnons. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I couldn't agree more. I myself is a witness to the hospitality of the people of Binag. Thank you so much. Hiyas number 2, and now we move on to Hiyas number 3. Alright, maayong gabi, Trisha. Okay, you can have your microphone. Maayong gabi.
Magandang gabi sa inyong tanan.
Alright. So, when we had our interview kahapon or gabi, that was last night. Correct, na gabi. I was also very happy because Cuenca, very comfortable and very jolly, and you were funny at the same time. No? So, in our interview, I have learned that you have joined the Red Cross Youth Organization. That's correct?
Yes.
Alright, so, Red Cross is a very famous youth organization in the Philippines. So, can you please share any experience with that organization?
I want to use our Bisaya language because of Red Cross. Nakatabang tal sa mga ubang tao tuwid sa Red Cross kay na tabangan ako kong grandparents tuwid kay like basic needs nila.
Alright, thank you. No, diba? So, to all of our youth, Trisha here is someone you must follow. Joining organization will help you, and it will at the same time give you opportunity to help your friends, your community, but just like Trisha, help your family, no? So thank you so much, Trisha, for that, but I think ready na siguro ka for your question. You may now pick your question here. I'll be reading the question twice, okay? What is your prayer for the youth of today? Again, what is your prayer for the youth of today?
Ang prayer na ko sa youth karon is unta successful ta in near future for our family and our society. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, the youth is the hope of the nation. Ika nga ni Dr. Jose Rizal. I hope that she is still very much true to today's generation. Now we move on to, yes, number 4. Maayong gabi. So you are is that Lorraine? Lorraine. Okay, Lorraine. Lorraine, you are a little taller than me, I guess. Maybe it's because of the heel, but how tall are you again?
I'm 5'4".
5'4", not so far from my height. But anyway, I have learned here that you have been joining several sports, and these sports are a little very physical, no? Can you tell us more about these?
My sports is taekwondo and volleyball. I know it's very different. Volleyball focus more on the hands, while taekwondo focus on the feet. Yeah, thank you.
And you like both of these?
Yeah, I love both of them.
Alright. So, I think that you are now very much ready for your question. Please hear your question at the goal, and I have it. I'll be reading the question twice, okay? How do you deal with failures and criticisms? Again, how do you deal with failures and criticisms?
How I deal with my failures and criticism is I don't let it affect me. I focus on the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, we have to look forward. That's the thing. That's the key to life. Never go backwards, but always move forward. Now we move on to female candidate number 4. Out there, you can have your microphone here. You have so many fans. How about a little shout out for them?
Shout out to my family, especially to my parents, and my boyfriend's family also, and also my classmates and co-officers of the Supreme Student Government of Paisa May Campus.
I think that you have brought all of your classmates from your section here.
No, not all, because we're busy of our thesis actually, but I'm very lucky enough that despite of our business, they're here to support me.
Alright, so in our talk yesterday, I have learned, Miss Ash, that you have quite an experience in hosting. Oh no, nasiguro ko na yung gamayan ni. Alright, can you tell us more about how does hosting help you as a person?
Just a little throwback story. Actually, I've been hosting since my elementary years, starting with acquaintance parties, Christmas parties, and now that I'm about to, enter adulthood, it became my source of income, and it really helped me, not just financially, but also to boost my confidence as well.
That is nice. So, I can vouch for that. Indeed, exposure to public will help you boost your confidence, and to be a confident person, you will do good in the future and in the professional world.
Thank you so much.
And I think that you are very much ready for your question, or legit. Can we have your question here? I will be reading this twice, okay, and then you can answer after the second one. What does being a bingagnon? Alright, thank you. What does being a bingagnon mean to you? Again? What does being a bingagnon mean to you?
As someone deeply rooted in this community, as a bingagnon means embodying resilience, pride, and as well as deep sense of love of the community, with always striving to uplift our barangay and to promote our culture and values. And I am Kim Ashley O'Neill, and this is my commitment to the community that has given me so much. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much. Yes, number 4. Number 5. Now we move on to yes, number 5. That was yes, number 4. Let me just clarify. You are yes, number 6.
Yes, I am yes.
Your name is
Also, my name is Rubini Lopez Gavin.
Rubini. All right, that's correct. Okay. Now, Rubini, just when you entered the stage, I heard so many shouts from the crowd. How about you give them another shout out?
So, I just want to give a shout out to my family, my friends, and especially to the Purong Shanta people who are constantly supporting me in this journey.
Who are you with right now sa inyong family? Who are you with?
Also, I am with my grandmother and my older sister.
Alright, so yeah, thank you so much. Family matters so much, especially to events like this. Now, I have learned here that you have watched the pageant last year. You were one of the usherettes.
Yeah.
Do you think that you being one of the ushers last year had pushed you at the same time to join this year's coronation?
Actually, being an usher last year, I really did not imagine that I would be one of the candidates this year. Because I saw that Miss Pinay 2023 is a really big pageant, and a little me wouldn't imagine that I would be coming up to this stage.
Alright, so you cannot really expect the unexpected. That is life. But for sure, you will learn so much in this experience. Now, I think that we will now be having our interview. Please pick your question here. So I'll be reading this twice, and you answer after I read it twice. What is your generation's biggest challenge? Again, what is your generation's biggest challenge?
For me, our generation's biggest challenge is social media addiction. As we all know, even me myself is addicted in social media. Like, I cannot live a day without my phone, and I think that we should lessen it a bit so that we can lessen our screen time a bit, and so that we can increase our social with our friends, family, so that it can make us a very healthy social relationship with our friends, with our family, for us to be more productive, to be more wise, and to be more grateful. Thank you.
Good evening. All right. Now, you are called by your friends as Kai. All right. Kai, I have learned last night that you are a first-year civil engineering student. If I were to imagine any engineering programs, I feel like it's so very lisod good kaayo nga eskwela. Can you tell us your experience? How is it to be like a civil engineering student?
Well, it's at first it's really difficult since I still have to adjust things, and I'm really surprised about the pace and how college teachers really teach us since it's not the same as in high school because the pace in college is really fast and sometimes it's really hard to catch up.
Alright, no? That is something that all of our senior high school or junior high school students must also take note. When you enter college education, paspas ginagmay ang ato ang pag-eskwela, so you better be ready for your college education now. Alright, Miss Kai, can you please pick your question here in the board? You're ready for the question?
Yes.
Always ready. Always ready. I'll be reading the question twice, okay? So here's the question. What is your message to your fellow youth experiencing anxiety and depression? Again, what is your message to your fellow youth experiencing anxiety and depression?
Thank you. I believe that anxiety and depression is really no joke, and we should really focus on it. And my message to those people experiencing anxiety and depression is that no matter how difficult it may be, no matter how hard you're experiencing things right now, I hope you really put in your heart that God is always there to guide you, and you can always run to Him in every difficult situation. And to people experiencing anxiety and depression, there's a lot of people that's ready to support you and that's ready to be always there for you to really boost your confidence. And I believe that people experiencing anxiety and depression, you guys are precious and you are special in your own way. And I hope you believe in yourself to be more confident. Thank you.
So much. Yes, number 7. You know, in a world where there are lots of cruelties, we have to make sure that we are a friend of ourselves. Atong amiguhon ng atong kaugalingon. Now we move on. Yes, we call on. Yeah, great.
Sir, ni-game ganihan? Sir, ni-game ganihan.
Number 8, you are Jean. Right? You can have your microphone here.
Thank you.
Maayong gabi, Jean. Alright. Very comforting and gentle. Jean, I have learned yesterday that you are a student of hospitality management program.
Yes.
Simply, I think, very fitting for your personality. Can you tell us more about your program, the hospitality management? How does it feel like to be an HM student?
Thank you so much. So, as we all know, HM student is not only about cooking, it is also about tourism involvement. We all know that HM is hard, but it is a bit fun and of course challenging.
All right, thank you so much. Well, I think that you will do good because you have a very pleasing face and personality.
Kana, number 8.
Alright, so I think that you are ready for your question. There are 2 now. Okay, you ready for your question?
Yeah.
Alright.
Kita ka ganihan sa kakim.
I'll be reading this twice. Okay? Who inspired you to compete in Hiyas ng Tinag 2024? Again, who inspired you to compete in Hiyas ng Tinag 2024?
Oh, naka-answer. Ay, hinap yung answer.
Well, the only one who
Nawa na ako live.
inspired me is my mama. Mama, I know that you're in Rasi right now. And you are my motivation and inspiration in joining in this competition. Mama, I love you so much. Thank you.
That is so sweet of you. Yes, number 8. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, I'm always grateful to our parents, and of course, to the parents out there. There's also something that you also have to always remember. You get to always support your children in everything that they do, because these years of their life is one of the very important stages of their life. So support them. And so to the parents here, nagkakaayong salamat. And ladies and gentlemen, that was our preliminary interviews. It's a big round of applause. Of course, ladies and gents, we had at the same time missed to acknowledge another important person gracing us tonight. Let's give a big round of applause to our Honorable Vice Mayor, Marietta Sumailo. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor, for gracing us tonight. Just like last year, both of our Mayor and Vice Mayor graced us here. Our local government unit indeed are very supportive to Barangay Binha. Sa makausap, nagaan nato sila sa Masiba, Palakpa. The competition is not yet over. Later, we will have some part of the program where it's a little more relaxing, elegant, and formal. That is the evening gown competition. For now, sit back, relax, because we'll have the evening gown competition after this short break.
Finish